I'm sure many of you from anywhere on the west coast of the US have seen one of these. These are Pacific chorus frogs, also known as Pacific tree frogs. In some areas of the west coast, these can be so common in some areas that seeing them is a regular thing, and they are paid no more attention to than passing birds in the sky. Personally, I love these little guys. In fact, I love them so much that my channel profile and banner are both Pacific chorus frogs. That is because I don't have a lot of wild animal photos I've taken myself, which are worthy to be shown on the channel, but whatever, I still love the frogs. Normally, when something like this is very common but not significant to us, we tend to ignore it and never think about how cool they could actually be. Really, chorus frogs are really fascinating. You see, these little frogs can live in a few different environments. Some of these environments are in dark places, sometimes they are more open and therefore brighter places. But these frogs have a lot of natural predators, including snakes, raccoons, and I think bullfrogs. In fact, I even made a YouTube short where I came across a garter snake eating a Pacific chorus frog. Anyways, the only real way these small, defenseless frogs can defend themselves from predators is to camouflage into their environments. The problem is, their habitats are small areas because they are small frogs. Because of this, any environmental changes can do things such as change a dark and brown environment into a bright and green one, so to say. So how do these frogs combat this problem? The answer? Changing colors. The Pacific chorus frog can change between green and browns depending on their environment. Their color change is not by the color of their environment or determined by the color of their environment, but by the brightness of the area they are in. I should note that there are many different types of chorus frogs, but I am most familiar with the Pacific chorus frog. I did find some stuff on the gray tree frog that lives on the east coast. These frogs also seem to change color like the Pacific tree frogs do. So it's not just limited to the Pacific coast. Many chorus frogs have this ability, but these Pacific chorus frogs are the ones I am the most knowledgeable about. So that's why I'm talking about them. If you have any similarities with frogs in your area, with frogs in the West Coast, leave a comment to share. I said earlier in this video that things you see every day which have no significance to you can actually be very cool. Why is this frog one of these things? Well, we are often fascinated by cool and exotic animals from around the world. Some of these animals can do things such as change color, like the octopus or the chameleon. What is special about these frogs is that we look at these foreign animals with curiosity and we think they're really cool, when in fact we have something living in our backyard which can do the same thing. To be fair, it probably can't do the same thing to the extent of other animals. The octopus is on a completely different level compared to the rest of the animal kingdom. But the traits of the animals in your backyard are still there and present. They're also overlooked, and they're potentially really cool. I'm not a scientist. I'm just a guy with a YouTube channel. And if you want to do research about animals in your own area, it is highly encouraged. Thanks for watching.